So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who want to build their career in pharmaceuticals. I hope this session is going to be very fruitful for all of you. So Mr. Khushpreet, welcome.
थैंक यू सर.
खुशप्रीत, आप पर्टिकुलर ऑल टॉपिक्स अगर करके आए हो तो सबसे पहले तो मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें.
Sir, I am Khushpreet. I am from Shri Ganganagar, Rajasthan district, and I have passed my graduation from MGSU University in 2019.
Okay.
And I have 2 years experience of selling in wellness industry.
Very
and
good.
I want to make my career in pharmaceutical industry.
Okay.
And my hobbies are listening to music, meeting new personalities, traveling, and watching and reading motivational stuff.
Very good.
My strengths are I am very dedicated to my work, and I have communication skills.
Okay. So I give chance to Madam Lalita also. Should be asking you a question. Okay, Madam Lalita, you can have your question, please.
Sure, sir. Khushpreet, tell something about your family.
We are 6 members in my family. My grandfather is the head of my family, and my father is a
Loudly,
teacher.
please. Okay.
And I have one sibling, younger sibling. He is pursuing his graduation from MGUS University.
Okay.
And my mother is a homemaker, and my grandmother also help them.
See, you want to be a medical representative in organization, okay?
Yes, sir.
So you know all the systems of body. There are lot many systems.
Yes, sir.
So do you know there is one a little bit quite complicated system, that is nervous system.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell something about it?
Yes, sir.
Please try.
Nervous system, it controls all our body, and there are 2 types of nervous system: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system.
Very good.
In central nervous system, there are 3. There are brain, and brain is our
Yes.
brain is our
It controls all the
controls
functions,
all the
no
function
doubt.
in our
Agree.
body, and it
Supreme
have
Commander.
yes, supreme commander.
Okay.
And it have 3 principal parts:
Right.
cerebellum, and brainstem.
Very good.
And cerebrum is it controls the feelings, emotions, intelligence, etc. And
Right.
cerebellum controls our body movements.
Okay.
And the brainstem is like as a connector.
Okay.
It connects the cerebrum to our spinal cord.
Right.
And this have 2 parts: upper parts and lower parts. In the upper parts there are hypothalamus and thalamus. Hypothalamus control our pituitary glands, which is our most important gland in our body, and because it control our growth, and it also control the temperature of our body.
Right.
And it also control the thirst and
Hunger and thirst. Okay.
And thalamus send the messages to our brain for analyze.
Very good. Thalamus.
Thalamus.
And there is one lower part of brainstem. What does it mean? The name? It is medulla oblongata.
Medulla oblongata.
And what is the function of medulla oblongata?
Medulla oblongata control the vital organs of our
Vital
body.
organs. That is important organs.
Yes.
Right.
Like lung and heart.
Very good. You are going in sales line.
Yes.
So what are the qualities of a good salesman? क्या quality होनी चाहिए एक अच्छे salesman में?
He should be punctual.
Right.
He should be jovial, and he should be confident, and he should have a good communication skills.
Very good. Lalita, what do you think? एक अच्छा medical representative में क्या qualities होनी चाहिए?
Khushpreet, you are saying good communication skills, right?
हाँ जी sir.
Which type of good communication skill we should have?
Whenever he meet a new people, and he should have a skill to talk with them, how to talk with them, how to meet with them, and how to tell them his company products.
Good. Very good. You stated that you have a good knowledge today. And what do you mean by digestive system? Can you elaborate?
Yes sir.
बताइए.
It contains our
Mouth. There is pharynx.
pharynx,
There is
and esophagus and small intestine and large intestine.
And where is stomach? And what is the
Yes,
function of stomach? Can you tell me?
Yes sir.
बताइए.
Stomach, there in the stomach HCl enzyme
HCl is present.
is present, which kill the bacteria
Very
present in the food.
And where protein is digested?
The protein is digested in stomach.
Okay. And who is responsible for the digestion of protein?
Pespin and renin.
No, these are renin and pepsin, 2 enzymes.
हाँ जी sir.
ओके
हाँ जी सर.
ओके. व्हाई यू चूज मेडिकल लाइन? व्हाट इज द रीजन? क्यों बनना चाहते हो एमआर?
Sir, I like to meeting new peoples
Okay.
and traveling, and
Right.
these are my hobbies, and I want to serve the people also,
Okay.
and these kind of things. That's why I want to join this
Okay,
profession.
sell this pen in front of me. Please sell.
Hello sir, I am Khushpreet Singh from Cello Company. This
Okay.
is our excellent pen of our company, and it have a superb nib of 5.5 minimum
Okay.
mm. It has a fine quality on every type of paper,
Okay.
and its ink never
Melts.
Melts.
Or spreads.
during summer. We can force it, and we can write, and whenever we don't need to write, we can again force it, and it will we don't need
Automatically
any
get closed.
yes, we don't need any cap, any type of cap.
Right.
It enhance our personality due to its upper side of cap.
Okay.
And if you purchase this pen in together, we will give you 5% offer in seasonal sale, and its price is only 10 rupees.
Okay. Very good. You know there are certain functions of body and like kidney and all others. Can you tell me what is the function of kidney?
Kidney purify the blood,
Very good. Filters the blood.
filters the blood, and it's also form our
Urine.
urine.
Very good. And now my question to you is, can you tell me the difference between pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic?
The thermodynamic, it is about the it is study about the what drug does with body.
Very good.
It is like that. And kinetic, it is like it is the study what the body does with the drugs. Yeah.
Very good. Now tell me, what do you mean by the word half-life?
Half life is a time
It is a time taken by the
taken
drug
by the drug
to reach
to reach the
50% of
50%.
its concentration in the body.
हाँ जी sir.
And what is bioavailability?
Bioavailability.
से जब हम ड्रग लेंगे तो ऑब्वियस है कि सारी 100% ड्रग तो हम नहीं ले सकते. सारी 100% तो ड्रग होती भी नहीं है. इवन हम अगर गोल्ड बनाने जाते हैं गोल्ड स्मिथ के पास, तो वो थोड़ा सा पीतल जरूर डालता है. एग्री करते हो? सेम केस जब मेडिसिन बनती है तो कुछ पोर्शन, यानी कि ये मान लीजिए कि हमने अगर मेडिसिन लिए तो 97-93% हमारी बॉडी के अंदर सिस्टमेटिक सर्कुलेशन के अंदर गई है. तो जितनी ड्रग हमारी बॉडी में जाती है दैट इज टू बी नोन एज बायोएबिलिटी. इसी तरीके से मिनिमम इनहिबिटरी कॉन्सेंट्रेशन होता है. इस तरीके से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्निकल वर्ड्स हैं जो आपसे इंटरव्यू में पूछे जा सकते हैं. राइट. व्हाट आर योर हॉबीज? क्या करना पसंद करते हो आप फ्री टाइम में?
I like to read and watch motivational stuffs.
Very good.
And I like to listen music
ओके.
in my
यू
free
लाइक
time.
टू लिसन म्यूजिक.
Yes.
आपने कभी पेन किलर्स के बारे में सुना है?
Yes sir.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Anti analgesic. Sorry, analgesics.
एनाल्जेसिक्स.
हाँ
ओके. तो एनएसएडीज वर्ड सुना आपने?
हाँ जी सर.
क्या होता है
नॉन
NSAIDs?
स्टेरॉइडल एंटी इन्फ्लामेटरी ड्रग्स.
वेरी गुड. क्या एनएसएडीज का क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हो?
यस सर.
बताइए.
There are two types of NSAID,
यस.
and one is selective and one is non-selective.
एग्जांपल दीजिए कुछ.
In selective, there is aspirin, diclofenac, and ibuprofen.
These are non-selectives because they are killing both COX-1, COX-2
हाँ,
both.
yeah, sorry.
Tell me the definition of antibiotics. भाई माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म से बनते हैं, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म को मारते हैं. These are to be known as antibiotics. ठीक है. हार्ट का फंक्शन बताइए.
Heart pump our blood, and it is divided into 4 chambers.
नाम बताइए.
Right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle.
दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी वेन्स कौन सी है? 2 वेन्स जो हार्ट के अंदर ब्लड लेकर आती है. बताइए.
Inferior vena cava and superior vena cava.
और कोई आर्टरी, सबसे बड़ी आर्टरी?
Aorta artery.
वेरी गुड. Aorta supplies blood to all the body.
Yes sir.
ओके. लंग्स का फंक्शन क्या है?
Lungs purify our blood.
वेरी गुड. और बीच में इसमें जो ऑरिकल्स और वेंट्रिकल्स के बीच में वॉल लगे हुए होते हैं, उनके नाम बता सकते हैं?
Bicuspid and tricuspid.
बाइकस्पाइड वॉल एंड ट्राइकस्पाइड
हाँ
वॉल.
जी.
प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. ओके.
ठीक.
एनाटॉमी फिजियोलॉजी क्या होता है?
Anatomy is a study about our body parts.
यस एंड फिजियोलॉजी
फिजियोलॉजी स्टडी about our body parts
Functions of the
function
body.
about it. हाँ जी.
विट विटामिन्स के बारे में बताइए, कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं?
There are two types of vitamins,
ओके
water soluble
यस
and
फैट
fat soluble.
एग्जांपल्स दीजिए.
वाटर सॉल्युबल में आते हैं विटामिन सी एंड बी कॉम्प्लेक्स,
वेरी गुड.
एंड फैट सॉल्युबल में आते हैं विटामिन ए, विटामिन डी, विटामिन ई के.
शाबाश. लीवर का फंक्शन बताइए.
लीवर प्योरीफाई अवर ब्लड.
नो नो, लीवर का सिर्फ एक मेजर फंक्शन होता है, दैट इज
दैट इट मेक बाइल जूस.
नो नो, यस बाइल जूस इट इज मेकिंग फॉर द बेनिफिशियल ऑफ द दिस डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट. मगर जो मेजर फंक्शन है लीवर का वो है मेटाबॉलिज्म, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन है. यस मैडम, एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम योर साइड?
यस, इन्फेक्शंस जो होते हैं वो कितने टाइप के होते हैं?
इन्फेक्शन को डिफाइन कर सकते हो तो? इन्फेक्शन होता क्या?
whenever the bacteria and
फॉरेन पार्टिकल.
foreign particle comes in our body, it called infection.
वेरी गुड.
ओके, एंड टेल मी योर 5 years प्लान.
अपनी लाइफ का प्लान बताइए आगे का.
I want to become senior manager
Okay.
in next 5 years.
वेरी गुड.
एंड डू यू नो द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ सीनियर मैनेजर?
बताइए क्या क्वालिटीज होती है एक अच्छे मैनेजर में?
He should have a good knowledge about his company and company products, and he should have a good contacts with doctors
यस
and other related staff,
यस.
and he should be jovial and punctual. He should take care about his employees.
ओके. और एक मेडिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का वर्क क्या है आपके हिसाब से?
He visits the doctors
Yes.
and detail his company products.
गुड.
He takes survey of his company products at medical store, wholesalers and retailers, and he should also take survey of competitor products in the market, and he should focus on secondary sale rather than primary sale to prevent the dumping.
एग्री.
And he is the supreme commander of his territory, and he should achieve the 100% sales in a given territory, and he should make the daily calls to doctors, retailers and wholesalers, and he should be punctual, and he should be jovial, and he should make the daily reports and send them to manager. He should take orders and send them to company, and he can also take the orders from chemist shops and send them to wholesalers.
ओके. सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में मेजर पार्ट्स कौन कौन से होते हैं?
Circulatory system, veins, arteries,
Yes.
heart
ओके.
और lung.
वेन्स आर्टरीज में डिफरेंस क्या होता है? वेन्स कैरी इम्प्योर ब्लड, आर्टरी कैरी प्योर ब्लड. इतना नहीं मालूम आपको?
पता सर.
पल्मोनरी आर्टरी क्या होती है?
Pulmonary artery is it carries the impure blood.
एग्री. अब मुझे ये बताइए कि सर्कुलेशन कैसे होता है ब्लड का?
First of all, to veins, inferior vena cava and superior vena cava carry the blood from whole body. Inferior vena cava carry the blood from our upper side of body to heart, and superior vena cava carry the blood from lower side of our body.
राइट.
And after that, send the blood to our right auricle.
ओके.
And from our right auricle, the blood goes to right ventricle through bicuspid valve,
वेरी गुड.
and after that from right ventricle blood goes to lung through pulmonary artery.
Good.
Because it carry the impure blood
फॉर प्योरिफिकेशन.
for purification.
Right.
After purification, the blood goes to left auricle via pulmonary vein,
यस.
and it goes to left ventricle by tricuspid valve.
ओके.
And after that, the aorta artery supply the blood in our whole body.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. यू आर हैविंग गुड नॉलेज राइट नाउ एंड आई अप्रिशिएट योर एवरीथिंग. ओके. स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट क्या आपका? मेजर पॉइंट स्ट्रॉन्ग?
सर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट सर मेरे को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस जो इंडस्ट्री में है, नेम कमाना, नेम एंड फेम. और
ये तो एम हो गया. आपका स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट क्या? आपके अंदर अच्छी बात क्या है?
सर आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन एंड आई हैव अ गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स.
ओके. यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन। सेल को डिफाइन कर सकते हो, सेल क्या होता है बताइए।
Cell is the
यस, smallest and the
Small
simple part, simple unit, simplest
sim-
unit,
simplest
okay,
unit.
structural part of the body, okay,
हाँ जी।
और सेल से बनता है टिश्यू, टिश्यू से
Tissue
बनता है
से
ऑर्गन,
organ।
ऑर्गन से बनती है बॉडी, राइट।
हाँ जी।
तो होप आज का सेशन अच्छा है, यू हैव ट्राइड योर बेस्ट, कीप इट अप, बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू यू।
Thank you.